It's done. Also, we're matching. Yes, sir. I got my fabric in the mail, and I don't know why they wrapped it like if it was drugs or something. Sorry, I didn't mean to scare you. It's not stretchy. It's pretty thin. Might have to add like a lining fabric on the inside just so it has more like structure, I guess. Just so it's not super flimsy. Like the jacket today, I'm gonna use a jacket that I already own. I'm gonna cheat, so I'm gonna use a jacket I already own and I'm basically gonna copy it to our fabric that I have laid out already. This is why I never get anything done, by the way. This chunky right here. I cut out the back part, but I think I already messed up. My dumb ass cut a neck hole in the back. What? I sewed it all together, the front and the back. So let's see how it looks. I haven't cut the front yet, just because I just haven't cut it, but let's try it. Okay, maybe I do need to cut the front open because this neck hole is too small. So I got it on, but I forgot that titties were a thing, so like is it easier to copy something that you already have, or is it easier to make patterns? Because I've never honestly done patterns that much, honestly. So I don't know, like, because this is hard. I think it's just the fabric is difficult too, because it just moves everywhere. But I want to try to make the sleeve right now. My brain is malfunctioning right now. I'm like thinking how to do this. So basically I have to do four each. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then sew them together, and then it's a sleeve, right? I'm so confused. I'm just gonna trace and then make the sleeves. Also, I was gonna make it like 4 inches longer than these sleeves because I wanted to cover my hands like the doll. So yeah, we're gonna make it longer. So hopefully I have enough fabric. Okay, I figured out why it looks so weird. For my pattern, I remember for the doll, I cut it out and I only flared one side, which was the upper side, which would rest like on the hand. So that would be like the flared part, and then the bottom part was like kind of regular. Okay, let me redo this and see how I feel about it. That's like my car, but like fucked up. God damn. Watch, I'm gonna fucking crash because I'm bullying this old lady. Oh my god, how does that happen? Okay, I should stop recording. I'm driving. Okay, so basically all I have to do left is hem the inner part of the jacket. And I don't know if I'm gonna make a collar. I'm gonna see how it looks once I hem the front and stuff. And then I gotta make the skirt. I don't know if I'm gonna have enough fabric. I hope so. I might just have to use a bunch of like scraps to make a whole skirt, but this is like whatever fabric I have left. It's just a bunch. Yeah, the jacket's almost done. Thank God. I got myself something to help me with my creative process, you know, just to help me. It's gonna boost the morale, you know? I'm gonna hem it. I really didn't show you guys how to do anything. It wasn't supposed to be a tutorial. Was this supposed to be a tutorial? No, I'm just making it. I'm not showing you how to make it. Because my sewing skills, you need to watch like with Wendy or something, or someone who actually knows how to sew. Because I don't. But yeah, I think I'm gonna take off my pants though because I'm fucking sweating. My ass cheeks are like drenched, so I think I should change into shorts. Hey! Before it gets cold. Sorry, I forgot I was playing copyrighted music. Fucking delicious. You know, I pulled like caca out from like his butthole. Not out of the butthole, but like on the side of.
Wait a damn minute.
This is how it looks so far. I attached the sleeves. Y todo. I don't think I showed you guys the sleeves. I think I forgot. I was too lazy to film it last night. Sleeves, they actually came out pretty decent. We stopped to make the skirt. I followed some girls like tutorial on how to make this pattern, so hopefully it comes out because this is like the only fabric I have. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to do surgery. I do not have enough fabric to make the other half of this skirt. I'm gonna cut this into 2 pieces and sew them together right here so I can make the skirt. So it's gonna have like 3 seams in it. Make sure that it's long enough. I'm gonna have to measure it, blah blah blah. Yeah. Do you see this? We're literally twins. Like I made the skirt and the sweater. It took me around like 2-ish days, 2.5 days. I was procrastinating a lot, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with how it came out actually. Hi, the Lopez. It's so windy. Stop. I always get scared when cars are coming. I'm in the library parking lot and the library is not open. This is my first time sewing in a zipper. It actually came out pretty good. Can you see it? It's really hot. It's like almost 90 degrees. So I don't know why I'm wearing a jacket, but it's for fashion. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.